Hello WordPress devs. So in this video we are again going to talk about local WordPress Supercharged. So in my previous video I have explained what this tool is. Basically this is the add-on for local, and this is the tool where we can create a WordPress site on our local host. So conflict testing and toggle debug constants I have already explained in the previous video. If you haven't watched it, go to my YouTube channel videos, and this is the video I have published yesterday. Now let's talk about one-click ngrok tunnels. So how can we use this? So basically this is just to share your local site with others so that they can see the progress of your development work. You don't need to push your site online to just for the demonstration purpose. You just simply share the link of your local site and people can see your site on their system. So yeah, let's start this. So I have already site up and running on my local host. So this is the thing we have to provide first, ngrok URL. So for that you should have an ngrok account. So I'm gonna go to this ngrok site. I do have an account, so I will log in. So once you log in, you will have this section called setup and installation. You don't need to do anything from here. You just need this link. So just copy this link. So I'm gonna copy this and in the local I will enter my ngrok URL and just save it. Once you save it, you have to start it, and it says tunnel active. So let's see if we can access the site with this URL. So yes, we can, but let me open an incognito window. Yeah, first you will see something like this. So you just have to click the visit site. So yeah, but yeah, I want to click on this. So I will allow this. Okay, URL images are also displaying. Yeah, that was my concern. So so we do have the similar feature provided by this, but there is some problem using this live link. So let me show you what that is. So ngrok, when we click on this link, see the link, the site URL / particular link, and we are able to see the images. But now I'm gonna use this live links, and then you will understand why this is the better solution than this the default one. So I have enabled the live link, and now I will use this. So this is correct. Now I am able to access this using this URL. But now if I click here, see the URL in the bottom left, it's still coming from my local site. So when I try to visit this, it will open my local site rather than the shared version. So this is what I don't like using live links. So yeah, this is the better solution, and I think this is more cleaner. All you have to do is to have a ngrok account and use that link, and that's it. So this is what this SID sector 9 made easy for us. So yeah, that's that. That is one-click ngrok tunnel for you, and yeah, I'm sure you will like this. So yeah, that's all. If you have any other question, please write down below in the comment section. And if you have any suggestion for the author, you can simply create an issue or suggestion through this repo. I'm gonna provide this link into the description section. Thanks for watching.